So we have the Audi S8 V8 bi-turbo, and let's go for some winter driving. Start up the engine. Let's turn on our digital speedometer. Ah, finally. Okay, normal mode. Comfort mode. We just got a warning. Maybe our Bulgarian police department, it's once again protecting us and making sure that we will not violate the speed. One more hero on the road. And here they are, our police officers in a Golf 8. Brand new Golf. We are now entering Sopot, the place where everyone have at least one speeding ticket from. Here the Ugurchin's police department is quite active, and as you can see, there's no one speeding. Everyone is driving under the limit. Personally, I have one or two tickets from here. Going 58, it was in 50 limit, which is a very dangerous maneuver. So please don't go over the speed limit here in Ugurchin, and especially in Sopot. We can see here the speed limit detected by the vehicle is 70, which is not true. So unfortunately I cannot show you anything interesting today, because as you can see, everyone is going somewhere today. It's 27th of December, and everyone was going to their village, and we eat bahur, karvavica, and a lot of tasty stuff. Then we get back to our capital city, Sofia, where everyone lives in Sofia. There are no more than a few hundred people living outside of Sofia, so everyone is in Sofia. And now we're heading to Sofia, and So once again, thanks for watching, see you next time.